So I'm Sandeep Arora. So I'm a banker by profession. In my family, I stay here with my wife Runjun, and I have a 11-year-old daughter Shaili. Somewhere in March, April 2020, when the COVID situation came out, so everyone was unsure. People were worried, and so were we. Since I formed a part of essential services, except for the first 3-4 weeks, I was almost regularly going to my office. So obviously, I was worried about my family, that if I'm going out, interacting with a few people, what do I bring back? I would say psychological and overall insecurity around what can happen on the health side. So obviously I had to take a lot of care about the health of my family. Somewhere in October during Diwali, when I went to my hometown in Chandigarh, met my parents after a long time, was very happy. My mother had a bit of fever, but the doctor said nothing to worry. We came back around the mid of the week. On the weekend, we realized that both my parents have tested positive for COVID. On one side, I was worried, but since we spent a week over there with them, we also got ourselves tested. It so happened the ladies at the home, both of them were stronger, so they tested negative, and my report was positive. So obviously, that led to a lot of anxiety at home, what to do. So I went to a friend of mine for Diwali greetings, and that's where I saw this machine installed. Obviously, by the looks of it, I was curious. I asked him, he told me about the machine, and then he talked about the benefits, and that's how I got introduced, not knowing that in maybe a couple of weeks' time I'll be needing one. Good that I got introduced to it before I actually needed one. And then I ordered for Shaikokan at home. It brought in a lot of psychological security. Actually, when this device was installed, one day after I tested positive, interact with my family at ease. My family was in the rest of the house. I was in one room. I didn't restrict myself too much in the room, but I was at least very sure, very clear that there's this machine which is working in the background, and it will ensure that there is no transmission. So once we got this machine installed, we'd seen the scientific facts of this machine. State very clearly, we could find out that it doesn't let any kind of virus get transmitted. So obviously there was a lot of security and comfort that I had personally, and so was the case with my family. But at least within the home, we didn't have to really confine ourselves. So there was a lot of comfort that we had with this machine in the background. And as it happened, my report was negative because obviously I recovered from that phase, but my family continued to remain negative. They didn't have any symptoms, they didn't have any issues. So it means apart from our immunity, the machine also worked for us. If I were to talk about Shaikokan, I'll talk on the lighter side first. My daughter's name is Shaili, so Shai comes common, and so it sinks in. But apart from that, if I look at the medical or the scientific norms which have been used, or the kind of technology which has been used, if somebody really gets into the details, it's really a good technology. It worked for me, so I would definitely recommend it to my friends. Whenever somebody stated that they have somebody who's positive, I'm sure through my word of mouth, quite a few of my friends and my acquaintances would have taken this machine. And everyone who's used it after that has really thanked me. It means it's working. Good technology, good work, keep it up. Since my parents are aged, one of them is 65, my father is 70 plus. So what I did is, since they had also recovered from COVID, I've ensured that they also get this device installed at home. So because that not only gives them the security over there or safety over there, it also gives me comfort here because I'm staying far away from them. And even at home, with my daughter, an 11-year-old child, when she goes down and plays, and when she comes back, even if by chance either of us, some of us carry, because I go to my office every day, I think that's a security that even if by chance we've carried some quantum or quantity of the virus, it will get neutralized and we'll be sleeping safely in the evening. So I think that's a big comfort which this machine or Shaikokan brings us.
Shaikokan. Let's bring life back to normal and normal back to business. Visit shaikokancorp.com today